Are you a solopreneur or small business owner struggling to get traffic from social media? If so, you're not alone. In fact, 40% of small businesses don't even have a presence on social media. But why? Because they find it overwhelming, time-consuming, and honestly, confusing. But here's the thing. By avoiding social media, they're missing out on one of the biggest opportunities to attract new customers. Social media doesn't have to be a hassle. When you know how to use the best platforms for your specific business, it can become one of the most powerful tools in your marketing toolkit. And that's where our 2025 Social Traffic Blueprint comes in. Whether you're new to attracting social media traffic or you've tried and failed in the past, this will solve the mystery for you. Inside this video course, you'll discover exactly how to drive consistent traffic to your offers or affiliate links without spending hours a day. And here's the best part. Not only will you discover how to grow your business with social media, but you'll also get white label rights to this course. That means you can give it away as your own video course, or sell it and keep 100% of the profits. You'll be helping others in the same anti-social situation, while building your reputation and your income. Don't let the lack of social media traffic hold you back any longer. With this 2025 Social Traffic Blueprint, you can finally start getting social media traffic, attracting customers, and earning affiliate commissions. Download below to get started and take control of your social media traffic situation today.